So this is car Blue Silky. This is number LW161. Customer complained about the engine not starting. When cranked, it didn't crank properly. So when he came to us, we diagnosed the car and found that the compressor seized because the bearing is readily worn inside and it's just stuck. You can't move the compressor pulley. So we have found we order a second-hand compressor and placed it to the car, and then and we start crank it and it's cranked fine as normally. But we refilled the gas to that 134 R134A and tried to get the air conditioning working, but the clutch is not engaging, and so I checked for the supply of 12 volt to the plug, and there's not supply at all to the compressor, and I followed through to the wire and see why it's not coming, and then I looked all the fuses, and I found the fuse on here was the AC compressor 10 ampere, and I looked for this one and there's not continuity, so I took the testing on this one and there's no power, so that's not connected, it's broken. So